From beginning to the end, there is no place for argument. You are God all by yourself. Holding on my hand. The guy was embarrassed. He now wrote it on his can you just small, do like same day. I'm going out since I didn't work this morning. Wearing this white, my shorts and my sneakers. So let's go. Let's go. Today, I have clients coming from everywhere. Your best friend. I said I won't make my hair. You say you don't get money. I said I won't buy new clothes. You say you don't get money. How come you don't pay you, eh? You got the company. There's no to say. Guys, I made it to my customer shop. Hello. Good morning. See the way they run the car. Good morning, ma. My phone and brush up my hair. Yes, so my hair has been completely relaxed.
Alright, but what we can see the acquisition of machines to
I just got back from the salon, and as you can see, the curls are already dropping. Yeah, my hair is fully relaxed, which I absolutely love. I sit in dryer for at least 1 hour, which I do not enjoy at all. I almost passed out, like I was sweating, my scalp was hurting. So yeah, if you don't already know, I cut my hair short, and this is the shortest I think my hair has ever been in a really long time. And I honestly don't know how I feel about it. I feel like I've completely or almost let go of all the dead ends. And yeah, I'm ready to take my hair, grow my hair healthy and long this year. So this is my first relaxer this year, 2026. How far now? Hold on. Please, can I get kilo of chicken? How much is it? Oh, yeah. So I bought pepper. This really nice chicken. So I'm going to church now. So I just made it to church, and I'm very early. I'm attending third service, which starts by 11 a.m. I'm very early. It's just 10:33. I want to turn off the car and go and look for where to sit down outside and wait for them to close. All that's going to see. Hi.